Most drivers think changing fluids is simple. Drain, fill, done. But here's the truth. One tiny mistake with oil, coolant, or even brake fluid can silently destroy your car and leave you with a repair bill bigger than the car's value. These aren't rare accidents. Millions of drivers do them every day without knowing. So today, I'm exposing the 9 stupid fluid change mistakes that can kill your car fast and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Engine oil. Engine oil is the most critical fluid in your car, yet simple mistakes can destroy an engine. Draining the oil while it's cold leaves sludge inside. Forgetting the tiny crush washer causes leaks. And the deadliest mistake, leaving the old filter gasket stuck, can blow out all the oil the second you start the engine. Without clean oil, metal grinds against metal until bearings seize and repairs cost thousands. Oil also breaks down with time, heat, and contamination, so even the best synthetic won't last forever. The right way? Warm up the engine so it drains fully. Replace the washer, clean the filter seat, and torque everything to spec. Do it right, and every oil change becomes cheap insurance that keeps your engine running strong for years. Mistake 2. Coolant antifreeze. Coolant, or antifreeze, does far more than keep your engine from overheating. It also lubricates the water pump and prevents corrosion. A big mistake is topping off with plain tap water, which leaves behind minerals that clog the radiator and heater core, trapping heat. In winter, that same water can freeze and crack the block wide open. Another mistake is leaving coolant in too long. Once its additives wear out, it turns acidic and eats through radiators, heater cores, and even cylinder heads. The fix is simple. Always use the correct coolant type. Never mix colors. Flush it on schedule, run the heater to clear the core, and bleed the system to avoid air pockets. Done right, coolant keeps your engine cool, clean, and protected. Ignore it, and you'll slowly cook your engine from the inside out. Mistake 3. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is one of the most ignored fluids in a car, yet your life depends on it every time you hit the brakes. The mistake is thinking it lasts forever, but brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air daily. Fresh .4 boils at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but after 2 years with just a few % water, that drops near 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Under hard braking, it can boil, creating vapor pockets that make the pedal go soft or even sink to the floor. That same moisture also corrodes calipers, ABS modules, and master cylinders from the inside, leading to costly repairs. The fix is simple. Flush the fluid every 2 years. Never just top it off, and always use the type your car specifies. Fresh fluid means a firm pedal, safe stops, and full braking power when you need it most. Mistake 4. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid is one of those fluids people never think about until the steering wheel feels heavy or the pump starts whining, and by then, the damage is usually done. Over time, the fluid breaks down from heat and gets contaminated with tiny particles from hoses, seals, and the pump itself. Let that circulate long enough, and it grinds away at the steering rack and destroys the pump, both of which are expensive to replace. To make it worse, many cars don't even use the same fluid. Some need specific ATF, others use dedicated power steering fluid, and using the wrong type can swell seals and cause leaks. The fix is easy. Check your manual, use the exact fluid type, and flush the reservoir regularly with a suction pump or baster until the fluid runs clean. Fresh fluid keeps the pump quiet, the steering smooth, and prevents a $1,000 repair down the road. Mistake 5. Transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your gearbox, yet it's the most expensive mistake people make. It doesn't just lubricate, it cools, cleans, and makes gear shifts possible. Ignore it, and you're gambling with one of the costliest parts of your car. Healthy fluid is bright red with no burnt smell, but when it turns brown, it's already breaking down. At that stage, a full fluid exchange with a filter change can save it. If it's black, though, the transmission is cooked, and fresh fluid can actually finish it off by dislodging debris. That's when you start budgeting for a rebuild that can cost $3,000 to $6,000. The fix is simple. Drop the pan, replace the filter, clean the magnet, torque bolts to spec, and always use the exact fluid your manual calls for. Forget lifetime claims. Service it every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, or even 20,000 if you tow or drive hard. Fresh fluid is cheap insurance. Neglect is a death sentence for your transmission. Mistake 6. Differential fluid. Differential fluid is one of the most forgotten fluids in a car, yet it protects some of the hardest working parts. Your differential lets the wheels spin at different speeds during turns, and inside it are heavy gears and bearings grinding under massive loads. That thick gear oil eventually breaks down, losing its ability to protect metal, and once that happens, the diff runs hot, starts howling, and slowly eats itself alive. Ignore it long enough, and you'll be paying for a costly rebuild. The fix? Change the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles if you tow, off-road, or haul heavy loads, and at least every 60,000 miles for normal driving. Always use the exact viscosity your manual calls for, often 75W90. And if you have a limited slip diff, make sure you add the proper friction modifier. Yes, it smells terrible, but fresh gear oil runs cooler, keeps the gears quiet, and prevents one of the most expensive drivetrain failures you'll ever face. Mistake 7. Transfer case fluid, 4x4/AWD. If you drive a 4x4 or all-wheel drive vehicle, your transfer case is the middleman that splits power between the front and rear wheels. And like everything else full of gears and chains, it relies on fluid to survive. Over time, that fluid breaks down from heat and contamination, losing its ability to lubricate and protect. When that happens, chains stretch, clutches slip, and gears grind, leading to clunks, jerky engagement, or even a seized transfer case that can leave you stranded. The mistake drivers make is trusting lifetime fluid claims. By the time you hear noise, it's already too late. The fix is simple. Service it every 30,000 miles if you tow, off-road, or use four-wheel drive often, and every 60,000 to 100,000 miles for light duty. Always check the manual because some transfer cases use ATF, while others require special fluid. Fresh fluid keeps your AWD or 4x4 smooth, quiet, and reliable, especially when you need it most, in snow, mud, or on the trail. Mistake 8. Diesel exhaust fluid DEF. If you drive a modern diesel, ignoring diesel exhaust fluid is a mistake that can literally shut your truck down. DEF is a precise mix of urea and deionized water that helps cut emissions, and most systems won't run properly without it. Run out, and your engine may first limit power, then refuse to restart altogether. Another mistake is poor storage. DEF degrades in heat and sunlight, and contaminated fluid can ruin the SCR catalyst, leading to repairs in the thousands. In cold climates, DEF can freeze, but that's normal. Trucks have built-in heaters to thaw it. The fix is easy. Always use ISO 22241 compliant DEF. Keep it sealed and stored properly, and top it off every 3,000 to 6,000 miles, depending on load and driving conditions. Skip it or use bad fluid, and you won't just lose performance. You might end up stranded with an engine that won't even start. Mistake 9. Clutch fluid, manuals. In manual transmission cars, the clutch fluid is often ignored because most people don't even realize it's separate from the gearbox. In reality, it's usually the same type of fluid as your brakes, DOT3 or DOT4, and it's just as vulnerable to absorbing moisture. Over time, that water lowers the boiling point and causes corrosion inside the clutch master and slave cylinders. The result? A soft pedal, difficulty shifting, or complete hydraulic failure that leaves you stuck in gear. Many drivers make the mistake of only topping it up when the reservoir gets low, but by then it's already contaminated. The fix is simple. Flush your clutch fluid every 2 to 3 years, just like brake fluid. Fresh fluid keeps the pedal firm, prevents costly leaks, and ensures your gearbox shifts smoothly for years to come. And there you have it. The 9 fluid mistakes that destroy cars faster than you think. Don't let a $20 mistake turn into a $5,000 repair. Most manual drivers don't even realize their clutch has its own fluid, and ignoring it can lead to major problems. Clutch fluid is usually the same as brake fluid, DOT3 or DOT4, and it absorbs moisture over time. That moisture lowers the boiling point and causes internal corrosion in the clutch master and slave cylinders. The first signs are often a soft pedal, difficulty shifting, or the clutch not fully disengaging. If left untouched, the system can lose all hydraulic pressure, leaving you stuck in gear. The fix is simple. Flush the clutch fluid every 2 to 3 years. If you found this helpful, Hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and check out the video on your screen right now for even more secrets to keep your car running forever.